boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Davo. Come to our boy with another YouTube video, man. And then today, we doing a little day in the life in the rack, man. Right now, it's a couple of cats. We got a Rose. Come down here, man. Make sure that y'all hit that like button, hit that sub button, man. Got a Maybach right here. And look, I'm on my camera today too, so Maybach, Rose. Got some shit outside right now. We can go to the 5th.
A few moments later.
Y'all got a sin right there. They one of them hell dogs.
He tripping. I don't know who this is. For somebody uncle over here just pulled up next to me tripping.
Stop recording.
They just left the liquor store. Go.
About 100 niggas died over here on this corner.
So bad.
I still see the blood on the ground.
I can't do no POV with this big ass camera, boy.
Look, she got scared.
But nah, though, y'all, we finna pull up to 5th right now. I'm gonna let y'all know how it is at 5th. I know this camera is low-key close. I need a new lens. Hey, hit that like button, man, so I can get a new damn lens. For them lenses like $1,600 for just the lens.
Just the lens, more than the camera.
Bro, the camera was like $1,600. Damn. But I'm gonna get that joint for y'all, man. I'm gonna let y'all know when we at 5th.
Bad.
We here, folks. We here. I'm tripping up.
So like, you know, like 2 blocks after the E-way. Oh yeah. Yeah, we finna.
Shit, you got some crack?
Oh, bro, that shit definitely. Bro,
damn. Hold this. Get them coming in and shit.
Shit.
That nigga box head, no, I don't think so. He and that bitch gliding. He and that road gliding on that motherfucker. He got rose gold 40s on that bitch. Hey, let me know if y'all want me to get 40s. Boy, I did this the second day I had it on, and I ain't did nothing since.
It's dangerous.
This joint been perfect since I did that. Got my boy SRT Boosie. AD.
Oh yeah, yo ass.
He ain't paying attention.
Why you ain't got chain like you snatch chain and peel off on your ass. That's folks that went viral.
Oh, folks, police took this shit. Talking about some ass folks that went viral. Folks did go viral like a motherfucker though. SRT Marco, he went viral.
It's the Kias. I know.
Stop tweaking, fuck. Boy, if you don't stop yelling at motherfuckers like they won't hop out with switch on your ass.
Let them. I know motherfuckers 5 minutes away from here. We'll flip they shit, put they shit upside down.
Yeah.
We'll put they shit upside down. Ooh, that's that Davo 17. With the floater cap. What you got a pimple? Stop, don't touch it.
It's over with for you.
Big boy, even, bro. I left my shit at the crib. I should have brought my shit out today.
Boy, if you don't get.
Damn, he tweaking. Hey.
That's just a little teaser, buddy.
I know folks in this 300 for the tweet. Oh yeah, they
Got a tweet for the camera.
I know he got a tweet for camera.
Just scoot over to this. Thumbnail tonight, bro.
Alright. Rock said he off the shit early. Sweet. Folks off the do say early. Bro, y'all lucky I ain't wet up.
I got a rock coming. I got a rock coming soon. Okay. I got a rock coming. I'm just fucking with it.
What you got coming? What color you coming? You gotta let us know.
Hey, we got big venom coming. That's all I gotta say. Oh my god.
These niggas, he taking, bro. You was not the only one.
The only nigga that gets
the only one with purple, folks. Is that?
Not original in this.
He's not even original. We go 12 too.
You of all people.
Oh my God. This big ass living room just pulled up right in front of me, folks. I couldn't even get him pulling off. They in the life of a Hellcat owner, man. You lying, bro? That's the fucking V6. Maybe pop the hood on this man. I'ma see an air fryer with a motherfucking shit kebab attached to that bitch. You was just in the motherfucking last clip. It's the hell thing. It's the hell dog. No. I said this is that. He and that bitch playing crazy. Damn. Oh my God, he talking about somebody that sound like that? Oh my God. Oh God. That's crazy. This gotta be the craziest car in a rack, guaranteed. What the fuck y'all in here doing? Y'all in here having a motherfucking picnic, folk?
We in this mug.
Why you grab my wallet, folk? We got the same wallet.
Like, bro, literally the same exact wallet.
Let me see that chase card real quick.
Oh yeah.
He wouldn't let him take it out, too.
Boy, that's why I got like $10 in that motherfucker.
He tweaking. He said that shit
that other card, boy. You
He
get
said
that other
that
card.
motherfucker safe.
Hey, boy, you better blur my shit.
I ain't even take it out all the way. Oh my God, this nigga so lame.
I know he got one of those moves in it, right? So they say
This nigga ultimate goofy. Look.
So lift with your legs, not your back. So I gotta grab this motherfucking. I gotta grab this motherfucking hell dog. Hit up like this. So my homie Frasco can put it on his tow truck.
This is slow. I ain't even pay him no attention.
They gave him a little bit of do say and folks just turned to a whole different person.
Folks ain't even get it in his motherfucking system yet. He already tweaking.
Oh, boy. That's why, bro, when they first, I don't know if it was right here or at the, nah, it was at the other spot. They in the back seat window, eyeing the whole way down.
Like you got switch or something.
Oh, bro.
Like, wow, grab you off that motherfucker. Folks got a 3-bedroom in that bed. You said what?
I already got that shit.
He got a porta potty in that motherfucker.
I'm asking I go use.
Oh shit!
Stop it.
No, they tweaking, folks. They tweaking.
They gonna take me. I'm
There's
going
too
home.
many cars out here.
They gonna make me pull my shit over there in a cut. I ain't. I'm just saying, folks, they tweaking. They trying to show out.
I heard you know how to do donuts and type shit.
Come on,
You know how to
chill
go
out,
like,
folks.
like that.
Yeah, for you working with them people, huh?
I'm flashing out right there.
He go treat you, boy. What you on?
Park on the curb.
I can't get up.
Don't you got work in the morning, folks?
Sun ain't gonna come out.
Folks just got work in the morning. He out late night.
Park right here. You might lose something like that.
He got wheels on the back of this one and in the front.
That's dope.
Come on.
Come on, man, we outside. Come on here, park up. Hey, come on.
Oh!
Damn! Something new.
Hey, it's coming through this. What's wrong, Brody? Drunk as hell too, folks.
She got out with a bottle of Don. Tweaking.
Man, that widebody kicking up. I thought folks came Maybach.
That's close enough. That's faster than that motherfucker.
That's that 5 turbo.
63. Respect it.
I don't know what he think. I don't know what he think. For it's gonna be so long until this whole line clear.
It's for the cliff for his ass right now.
Oh. Nah, you gotta free that bitch right here. He just cleared that out. They finna smack this joint, bro. I hope you got insurance, folks.
It's a different party down there.
He down there with that rose.
It's a way different party. When you go down there, you down here, right? You go down
Hey, y'all, I ain't even know, bro. Folks won that cop from CJ on 32's raffle, boy. I ain't even know that.
I'm finna win it tonight.
Oh my God. That's his co-worker. This is the police.
Love it.
85. Ooh, that joint looking pretty, ain't it? They try to grab them dirt bikes, folks. They trying to grab them dirt bikes, boy. They said they finna go to a gas station. Enough, boy. Shit, chillin'. Chillin'. This motherfucker looking good, too. That Impala. You tweaking. This joint looking good. Hey, I don't even like challenge. That motherfucker look good in that white.
No parking, stopping, or standing. Please move your car.
That's who they need to be going after before they want to go after us, boy.
I just wrapped me up about another 250. I'm finna go cop me the out of my scale. You be bro with up and then my AMG popping the back to the city. Smoking outside, call me JJ the hippie. I hop in the coupe and I spin till I'm dizzy. I cannot right now, I'm too busy. This hoe tryna kiss on my list, think I'm silly. My diamonds dancing like Michael and Billy. You're not with me, boy, you must be kidding. 100 racks on me, that's how I'm feeling. I ain't got no heart, so it's how you feeling. Back then I would do anything for attention. Got kicked out of school for the drugs I was dealing. Ain't want me in class, so I sat in suspension. I told my mama, fuck. It costs 100 till they how I live. Flew to the D, met a bit and that live. You capping, boy, need to get you a lead. I'm too busy landing, I'm sorry, I'm in the wheel.